What's up, guys? I'm Chase.
And I'm Landon, and today we're unboxing the newly released Undefeated and Nike Air Force One collab in this Dunk versus Air Force One colorway. Let's go.
So looking at these in hand, these are still kind of underwhelming. They are better than the previous Undefeated Air Force One, the ballistic colorway. I think that was even worse, but it is a step up from there. So overall, still underwhelming. Undefeated, you still got some work to do. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, so the colorway itself kind of doesn't make a ton of sense to me. You do have like those blue overlays with that like kind of mustard yellow base, if you want to call it that. They throw some white on there, and then you got like an aged midsole, kind of like more of like a cream colored midsole. So just all the colors like at play together on the shoe, they didn't make a whole lot of sense to me just for the specific colorway, like being able to wear them. But giving this shoe a rating 1 to 5, what are you gonna?
I'm going to actually give it a 3 out of 5 for me. It is, like I said, underwhelming. I do like the kind of the blue overlays that you mentioned. They kind of have a kind of crocodile texture to it. I think that's a cool touch that they did to add a little bit of detail. But like, I mean, the yellow upper and the aged midsole, they just don't do it for me. And that's why I'm going to ding it at a 3 out of 5. What's your rating?
Yeah, so I'm actually going to go a little bit lower at a 2.5 out of 5. I think the best thing about this shoe collab was probably the box. I like that blue box that they came in. They do give you that white face swap that you see right there, but yeah, just approaching this from like a wearability standpoint, I just don't know what I would ever wear with this blue, yellow, and white kind of color combo. So that's kind of going to be where it falls down there to that 2.5. But that's actually going to wrap up this unboxing for this Undefeated and Nike Air Force One collab. Thank you guys for taking some time to watch.
And if you guys like this shoe, definitely give this video a like. And if you don't, let us know why in the comments below. And feel free to rate them yourself, 1 to 5. But until next episode, peace.